hot seat coaching, the final training. It's not really a training because it's coaching in the $10 Canadian dollar job search coaching week. That's happening May 5th to May 12th. So on Monday, May 12th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm doing hot seat coaching. And this is where everything comes together. This is where we get together as a group, where I pick volunteers to coach them. This is where it's a lot of the insight that we've had through the resume, through the job search routine, through the LinkedIn for job seekers, and the answering tough interview questions through the other trainings. This is where we then get the transformation to start happening. You get it yourself potentially by being coached if you volunteer, but you also get it from watching other people get coached. In fact, sometimes that's the best way because then you don't, I don't know, I'm like a deer in headlights whenever I get coached. So it's kind of nice to get coached by watching someone else going through the exact same thing you are, and then being able to apply what I am talking about with them to your own search. So this is one of the most powerful things that I think will bring it all together for you. And it is worth probably in my opinion, the $10 alone. So if you want to join, click the link below. If you have questions about the week or anything, let me know. And to do a quick review of everything you get, there's the 5 live trainings. There's the inside the hiring process and the resume screening process, the ultimate job search routine, LinkedIn for job seekers, answering tough interview questions, and hot seat coaching. They will all be recorded. There will be a private playlist here on YouTube that only you as a job search coaching week participant gets access to, and you'll get access to it for like as long as this YouTube channel is up, which I think that's going to be quite a long time. Still many years away from retiring because there are many people who need to get into their dream jobs. But anyway, soapbox put away. So they'll be recording so that you can review them like right after the job search coaching week, and you can continue to review them time and time again. Hopefully not too long, because hopefully you will land an amazing job. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, click the link below. I will see you there. Let's fix these job searches and get you in that dream job. Take care. Bye. If you liked this video, then I invite you to join me in the Find Your Dream Job program, where you work less, make more money, and finally feel fulfilled doing work that you love. Find out more at www.saracurto.ca/CYLA. See you there.